Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to show you my short-term strategy on US oil and also my trade setup. If you're following us for the first time, if you like this video, if you find this content helpful, like, share, and follow so you can stay updated with our future content. Also, drop a comment below. I'd like to know what you think about the market and also share your chat if you have one. So, guys, this is a continuation chat from our previous analysis. If you haven't checked that out, please check our profile. You see our last weekend US oil trade setup. Now, what we're seeing in the market is that market is currently working exactly as we expected. We currently see market in the current support zone. This is our yearly support zone, and this is a very critical spot. I'm very bullish on US oil, so I'm expecting that we should see more bullish price movement tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll have very heavy fundamentals, and we'll be expecting to see the oil import change, and also the crude oil inventory reports. All of these reports. Excuse me, of this report going to play a big role in determining the price direction for this week oil price movement. I'm expecting this report to be very bad for the USD and very good for crude. We should see. I'm expecting bullish report for crude, and so for US oil right now, I'm not on any trade. I'm not opening any trade until there's a clear direction of the market. And I believe we should see that tomorrow. And it's a good thing that we're currently seeing price below around our support zone. This gives us a better risk advantage. So if we're going to get in a long position, it's going to be at very minimal risk and higher upside. So I'm thinking if market could drag way back down, then getting an entry around this point would be very very nice. But if we don't, then a good entry level would be around our buy entry zone, which would be somewhere around here above somewhat above the support zone, and we should see it a target profit for 72, which would be around 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. Our stop loss is going to be somewhere around here or somewhere around here, depending on how the market movement triggers. So, guys, I'm not bearish. I'm not having any set trade position. I'm not looking at any set trade position. It's easy to get mixed up with with short term noise when we see such kind of markets in the daily, on the hourly time frame rather, and you could be tempted to want to take this kind of short term position. But if you're a scalper, then that's okay. But if you're not a scalper, then it's really not what's trying to catch up with every of these little tiny moves. Yeah, they're there, but I don't really like the trade against the trend. When I know it's a bullish trend, I like to stick with that trend. So I'm gonna wait for tomorrow and see what happens tomorrow. Like I said, I'm expecting to see more bullish outlook, more bullish report for crude, and we should be able to get a good long term position or maybe a short term position, whatever the case may be. But we'll figure out all of those things by tomorrow. So this is our longer term charts, and you can clearly see we are still having a very bullish setup, and most likely this is going to continue. We're going to see price, find a clear direction at some point, and then we could see return back to trend. For now, guys, that's all. And wish you guys happy trading. Trade smart, guys. Don't force any trade. Stay focused. Lastly, you can see this doji formation forming over here, and if this ends as today's market kind of close, then it means tomorrow most likely we could see really really bullish reversals coming up soon. All right, guys. Cheers and happy trading.